Is that TV working?
Yes.
The TV is working now?
Not yet. Anong na-learn mo kanina?
I watch Wild Cats.
Wildcats?
Mm-mm.
Ano siya?
They teach me about
Ano about?
the walking lizards.
Oh? What is about the walking lizard?
They teach me about the walking lizard, and they told me
Ano ba yun?
and
Ano yung walking lizard? Ang pangalan?
and Jesus Christ lizard.
Oh, meron pala nun.
Mm-mm.
Baka si Jesus Christ talaga yun.
Hindi si Jesus Christ lizard yun.
Ano yun?
The walking lizard in the sea.
Oh,
It runs on water.
it's named after Jesus talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi si Jesus Christ nag-walk din sa water.
Yeah. It can walk on water and land. But it can also climb trees like a monkey. And it can jump away and then across and
So-
and then run.
The walking lizard?
Yeah.
Galing pala yan.
Because of when there's a predator.
Predator.
Yes.
Mm.
They run away as fast as they can
Oh,
to run away as a predator.
from the predator.
Yeah. It can run 50 miles away.
Totoo yan?
Yeah.
Oh, sige, check ko nga.